In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money with PLR products or private label right products. These products that you don't need to create and you are going to earn 100% of the money. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and click the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with a product that you are going to, well, you are not going to create, but you are not going to get a percentage, the commission. Actually, you're going to get 100% of the money. This is called PLR products. Okay. Let me share with you my screen. And this is actually a website in which you are going to have the opportunity to buy products. Okay. These are all PLR products. This is called the Life Hack Library. But chances are that right now you are like, hey, I'm interested on this business model, but to be honest, I don't want to create and store, or I don't have the knowledge to create and store. How can I do this in a really simple way? That's what I'm going to be sharing you in this step-by-step tutorial. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be using the help of ChatGPT. You can create your own PLRs. Well, you can actually create your own products here and using ChatGPT, but actually I asked ChatGPT, like, give me a list of the most popular books that are PLR products, that I could resell. And now it's giving me different niches. Like, by the way, the most profitable niches online are health, wealth, and relationships. That doesn't mean that you are not going to be able to earn money with other niches. For example, here it says like, okay, if I'm on the health and wellness, okay, I can sell a book about weight loss for beginners, yoga stress relief, keto diet recipes and plans, natural remedies for common illness, self-improvement and personal development books, goal setting for success is actually huge, time management. If I go with online business, this is actually my niche, affiliate marketing, okay, social media marketing, SEO, here we have financial, parenting, mindfulness, fitness, and exercise, and so on. Okay. And it's also giving me like some example of marketplace in which I can go and I can find these products. For example, I have PLR.me. IDPLR, this is a website I have showed before, and that's also a website I'm going to be showing you here right now. Reseller Right Weekly. Okay. So now, first, we will need to do one of the things, or you can go ahead and you can create your own ebook, okay? Because I'm talking about ebooks right now, or you can go and you can get a PLR, okay? Websites that I recommend, definitely you can go on Google and you can type PLR products here, okay? And here, for example, we have PLR.me. This is one that it was listed on ChatGPT. Okay, you can see here we have tons of really good looking PLR products. Okay, and we also have this one, which is IDPLR. This is a website that I have used in the past and I have shown for so many years because this is not something new, but it's in current trend right now. You can have here on this specific website, not only ebooks, but also videos, graphics, templates, audios. You're going to have a lot of things here. Okay. Even softwares. Okay. So this is actually a great website. If you are asking for great advice, definitely IDPLR. Okay. So once you already have the product that you're going to promote, okay, for example, you can go with this Instagram marketing masterclass. Okay. Uh, and if you see here, for example, you have this one. This is the master result right, and this one have the private label right. Okay. These are two different licenses. So you have to take into consideration. Also, you have to take into consideration this. Let me show you. Okay. The first one is an ebook. And this is like, it says an upgrade. Why? because you can also set up, like, if they purchase this ebook, then there is going to be this upsell. Okay, so that's something else that you have to take into consideration, so you can earn even more money online. Okay, so now if you want to set up a really easy store, okay, super simple, you don't want to have any kind of coding skills, any kind of design skills, definitely the solution that I enjoy is system.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually create your account, but there's also another solution here, which is called payhip. Okay, you can go to payhip.com and you're going to have the opportunity to sell leads and downloads, courses, coachings, and more in a simple platform. And you can join for free. Okay, no card required, and you can cancel anytime. Okay, you are going to have the opportunity to have everything you need here, and it's actually really easy and really simple to set up your store. Okay, once you are ready to go, okay, you're going to have two ways to do this. First, you can click here where it says get started for free, or you just need to type your email address and click here where it says get started for free. Okay, I actually create a brand new account so you can see how this actually works. Okay, on the next step, you're going to see that the system is going to be asking you for the name of your store. Okay, I already created. This is a brand new store that I'm actually showing you guys here. So first things first, we will need to add our first product. Okay, assuming that you already purchased a product here, maybe on plr.me or maybe on ID PLR, and you already have it all. Again, if you ask me which one I prefer, the one I have been working with, it's actually ID PLR. They gave me everything, all the graphics, the text to the landing page, how the landing page is going to look like. So they gave me everything. Chances are that this one, plr.me, it's also giving you everything that you need, but I haven't worked with this myself. Okay, so now you are gonna click here where it says add your first product. Okay, I'm gonna click here again where it says add my first product, and it's gonna ask me like which is my product type. Okay, you can go with digital products, courses, physical products, memberships, coaching service, bundles. In my case, I'm gonna go with digital products. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, I'm gonna click here where it says digital products. Okay, it says that okay, the maximum I can upload is 5 GB. Okay, that's a lot, and you can upload here. Okay, you can upload here. It's gonna give you here all the information, like all the accepted files. You can upload it as a zip file. You're going to type a title. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one, the Instagram marketing masterclass. Okay, with the Instagram marketing masterclass, that's what I'm going to type here. Okay, that's the name of the product, the price. Okay, depending on the product that you're promoting, there are certain rules, okay? Most of them give you the opportunity to sell it at the price that you would like. Others are telling you like, no, the minimum is this one, okay? And here you're going to upload the cover. The cover is going to be this one, so don't worry. They give you everything. You don't need to be creating your own thing, okay? And then you're going to put a brief description. They give you the description, and it's going to be actually visible, and you're going to add the product. Okay, with that said, the second step that you need to do is that you need to go back to the dashboard, and actually, since you don't have the payment, waiting to collect the payment is going to ask you to set up your checkout. Okay, you can actually collect the payment via Stripes, or you can also collect the payment via PayPal. So you will need to link your account here, so you're going to have the opportunity to collect the payment that way. Okay, now you have your very first product that you can promote. You can upload as many products as you like. And how we're going to be promoting this. Okay, there are two routes. The first one is that you can drive paid traffic, or you can also do organic traffic. You can do short form content, okay, about it. In my case, let's say that I'm going to go with this one, the Instagram marketing masterclass. So you can give tips about Instagram, how to grow on Instagram. Okay. In this one, if you decide to go with the launch your own consulting business, you can write tips about that. If you're not 100% sure how that works, remember that you have an amazing tool with ChatGPT and it's going to give you ideas. Also, if you don't want to do it yourself, you can go to Fiverr and you can hire someone who is going to be creating short form content. Okay, you can upload this short form content to TikTok, to Instagram, to Facebook Reels, even to YouTube Shorts. And you can put your link with your product. So when there is someone interested and purchase it, they're going to go and they're going to purchase right away. Okay. So this is a great way, guys, if you're looking, to start an online business and, to have all the options with PLR. Remember that you can create an account with PayHype on payhip.com. By the way, guys, if you are looking to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.